welcome back to the channel. I've got something really fun to share with you today, especially if you love making jewelry or you're thinking about trying it. It is really fun. I'm partnering with a brand called Toolour, and they sent me their full set of jewelry pliers to test out and show you. Here is the case that it came in. This set is seriously impressive. Toolour's pliers are known for their precision and comfort grip, among many other things, which makes such a difference when you're working on delicate pieces or spending a lot of time crafting. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned jewelry maker, having the right tools can totally change the game. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what comes in the set, and then I'll make a piece of jewelry to really put these tools to the test. So let's jump in and get creative. Let me show you the pliers first. These are chain nose pliers, nylon jaw pliers, ball making pliers. These pliers help you create jump rings, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, bent nose pliers, wire cutter pliers, flat nose pliers, jewelry tweezers, scissors, and a bracelet jewelry helper. That's really neat too. Now that we're done checking out the different pliers, let's get our project started, and I'll tell you each plier that I use as I go. Today, we are going to make a pair of earrings, and they are just going to be so unique, you will love them, and you'll be able to recreate them yourself. So let's get started. First, we need one of these little pins. We're going to be using those two gold beads and that flower bead. I actually made that myself out of Fimo clay. We're also going to be using some O-rings on part of the earring. We'll also need an earring hook so we can put it through our ears. First, we're going to take the pin and place it on the earring hook by just threading it through. Then we'll just go ahead and grab the pin by the bottom and place one gold bead on it. We'll place our flower bead on it, and one more gold bead on it. The next thing we need to use are our wire cutting pliers and our round nose pliers. We're going to take, and at the end of this, we're going to go ahead and cut it off about a little less than 1/4 of an inch from the last bead that was placed on there. So we just hang on to it. We use our wire cutting pliers. Cut it. Next thing we need to do is grab our round nose pliers and make a little loop there. So we just grab it up and twist it over. And just keep grabbing it and twisting it till you have a loop. Once we've made our little loop, we're going to attach an O-ring to that loop. I will be using my flat nose pliers, and I will be using my bent nose pliers. I just take both of them and hold it together, twist it to the side to open it up. Then we're going to thread it through our loop. And then we're also going to attach a bigger ring to that. And now we'll just use our flat nose pliers to close that. There we go. Perfect. The next thing that we are going to do is open up this bigger ring and place a smaller ring on it. So once again, I will be using my bent nose pliers and my needle nose pliers to help me out with opening this. I'm going to go ahead and open this ring. Okay. And I'm going to put the other ring on it. Now I'll go ahead and close the ring. And this earring is done. What do you think? Just let me know in the comments below, and I'm going to make the other one off camera, and I'll show you the pair when I get done. Now it's all the way done. So I will leave a link in the description to the plier set and Toolour itself. And if you have any questions about the pliers, let me know. I honestly think these pliers are great. There was such a variety. It was so easy to use. Like I said, my hands didn't get sore, which is kind of surprising. And I was able to do everything with so much precision. And that really helped because it was tiny stuff I was working with and my eyes aren't the greatest. So if I can do it and my eyes aren't the greatest, you can too. I encourage you to pick up Toolour today. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching another video, and I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. Peace out.